My potential inside.
You are the wind.
Within my sight, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Hmm. Today
Today,
I pledge.
with all my mind, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. Let me hear good morning from
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Very, 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 very good morning, children. As I told you yesterday itself for that colors activity, today I'll be writing that names and I'll be showing you, right? So today the color games, I'm not going to tell you the colors. I'm just going to write the colors. Spelling of those colors. You are going to identify the colors and bring the materials according to it. Okay, ready? The first color, what ma'am is going to
No,
write
Miss
is
Bruno Vanakas. Red.
RED. What color is this?
Red.
Red. Very good. Red. Bring any red color objects. Come on. Red. Very good. Yeah, red color box. Very good, Kadambari. Red.
Red.
Red color crayon. Yes. Color pencil. Something. What is that? Shravanya is Dabur Chyawanprash. Okay. And then bat. Red color bat. Agana crayon. Yeah, good. Fine. Okay. Next color. Okay. Next color is B L U E. BLUE. B. Green. Blue. Very good. Blue. Very good. Come on, bring blue color objects. Blue. Yeah, good morning, Madhvanti. Blue color crayon. Blue color box. Okay, fine. Kadambari, good. Again a crayon. Sketch pen. Pencil box. Scissor. Be careful, Shavanya. Nimalan also crayon. Nimalan don't want to go out. Sitting in your place itself, showing me your crayon. Okay. Next color. Okay, next. ORANGE.
Orange.
O.
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Orange.
Orange.
ORANGE. Orange. Very good.
Ma'am.
Yes, orange crayon, orange color cap, bottle cap. Yeah, fine. Again, yes, most of you. What is that, Nimalan? Orange color? Book? Note. Diary. Okay, fine. Good. Color pencil. Fine. Orange over. Next color. Okay. YELLOW. Yeah, yeah.
Yellow.
Very good. Yeah, yeah. Yellow.
Mama.
Yellow. Yeah, yeah. Yellow.
Uniform.
Yeah, yellow uniform. Very good, Shavanya. Yellow color pencil box. Yeah, good. Yellow chair. Yellow crayon. Yellow color pencil. Yellow glue. Very good. Well done. Okay, next color. GREEN.
Green.
Green. Very good. Green. Very good. Green. Yeah, green. Vicks. What is that? Amritanjan or Iodex? Iodex. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Fine. Yeah, green color lid, color pencil, green color book, and then again crayon.
Crayon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. I saw green color cap. Okay, good. Very good. Huh? Rubik cube. Okay, very good. Green color Rubik cube. Very good. Next. Okay, next last color. Okay. What color is this?
Purple.
Violet. 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 Violet.
Violet ఎక్కడుంది?
Violet. Violet water bottle.
இதுதான் வழி.
Yeah,
Purple is purple. P. It starts with letter P.
P.
Okay, so it is not purple. V for violet color. Violet. V for violet. Yeah, good, Shavanya.
இப்ப போய் பண்ண முடியாது.
Yes, Adarsh. Violet. Everyone crayons. Very good. Yeah, well done, children. Very good, everyone. Now keep your materials down. Okay, parents, I want you to take worksheet number 112 CT. You will have a snowman picture in that worksheet, and below that you will have some cutouts. Please be ready with that cutouts. By the time we'll finish off with our rhymes and attendance. And the worksheet number is 112 CT. Okay, please be ready with the cutouts. Children, shall we start our attendance? What you should do during attendance? When I call your names, what will you do? What you should do? When I call out your names, what you should do, children?
What you should do?
Here I am. Ma'am, what do I have to do?
Here I am, hip hip hooray. Okay, here I am, hip hip hooray. And worksheet, did anyone ask me what we should do for worksheet? Worksheet 112 CT, you will have a snowman in that worksheet and some cutouts will be given in that worksheet. Parents, please be ready with that cutouts by the time we finish with our rhymes and attendance. Okay, so first Ilango.
என்னடா?
Ilango. Ilango.
No, ma'am.
Is everyone mute yourself, children? All of you mute yourself except Ilango. I'm not able to hear Ilango's voice. Yes, Ilango.
Louda சொல்லுமா. சொல்லுப்பா.
Here I am, hip hip hooray.
Very good. Kadambari.
Yeah,
Kadam. Hip hip hooray.
is this hooray?
Very good. Kevin. Kevin. Here I am.
Here I am,
Hip hip hooray. Huh?
Here I am,
Hooray.
here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Mokshita. Mokshita.
Yeah.
Then what you should say?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hooray. Very good. Yes?
Ma'am, in that 112 CT, we should cut the cutouts.
Yeah, you will have an woolen cap, scarf and all, right?
Yes,
Cut
ma'am.
it and keep it separately. We'll do it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
நான் போய் கட் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு வரேன். attendance உண்டு.
Very good, Nakshatra. Good. Nitish. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Riya Sri. Very good. Sara. Sara. Huh? Here I am.
Here I am.
Okay, next. Pranavi.
Ma'am,
Very
she
good, Sarah.
too, ma'am.
Pranavi. Okay, Pravina.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm. Hip hip. Very good, Pravina. Shravanya.
Today.
Very good, Shravanya. Tilakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Hip hip.
Today.
Hooray. Very good. Adarsh. Adarsh.
Manila, ma'am.
Hip hip.
Hip
Hip
hip.
hip.
Hooray.
Hooray. Very good. Madhuvanti.
Yes, I am hip hip today.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Well done. Very good, children. Well done. Okay, next today we are going to learn a new rhyme. Yesterday we learned about one season. What season is that? Anyone, can you tell me what season is that? About what season did we learn? Ah,
Ma'am, Pranavi came.
yeah. Summer season. We learned about summer season. Okay, today we are going to learn a rhyme regarding that one. That season only. Okay. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. Okay, what is it so hot means it is summer season. Because in summer season it will be very hot. Right? Due to sun, right? It will be very hot. So that only what we are going to do? We are going to switch on the fan. Can you be without fan or AC? Cannot be at that time, right? Because it is very hot. So you will definitely need a fan or an AC, air cooler. Okay, so switch on the fan, drink lemonade. What is drink lemonade? Na, another lemonade means what? What is lemonade? Anyone knows what is lemonade? Lemonade na another. Very good. Lemon juice. Very good. Lemon juice. It is nothing but lemon juice. Switch on the fan. Drink lemonade. In the sun we play. Okay. After drinking lemonade, we'll go outside in the sun and we'll play. Okay. We'll not be scared of that hot season. Okay. So, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade. In the sun we play. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade. In the sun we play. Okay? So, this is the rhyme regarding summer season. Okay, and now I'm going to ask you some questions, children. Okay, summer season, what type of dress you will wear? Yesterday you learned, right? What type of dresses you will wear during summer? Cotton dresses or woolen dresses?
Cotton.
Yeah, very good. You will wear cotton dresses. Very good. And in the summer season, what you should drink a lot? What you should drink a lot? Yes? என்ன நிறைய குடிக்கணும் சம்மர் சீசன்ல water. Very good. You have to drink lots of water. Okay. And what are the fruits that are mostly available in summer season? Very good. Mango, watermelon, and also tender coconut. Okay. Tender coconut. What is tender coconut? Tender coconut என்னது? What is tender coconut? Ilanir. Very good. Ilanir. Yes, that is ilanir. Tender coconut. Okay. And then, yeah. What will happen during summer season, children, when you go out without wearing a cap and all? What will happen? What will happen?
Thirsty.
You will become thirsty and you will sweat also. Sweat will come out of your body. For that only we ask everyone to have more water during summer season. So summer is a very hot season. Madhuvanti, if you are not answering, please mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Don't disturb others also. I can't hear anyone answering. Okay, summer is a very, very hot season. When you go out, you have to wear sunglasses, cap, everything. And what type of dresses you prefer? Cotton dresses. Okay, why? Because cotton dresses only will absorb all the sweat. If you are sweating a lot, that dresses will absorb it. Okay, so cotton dresses, and you have to drink lot and lots of water. Srinija, don't play with your sister. Listen. And then where would you like to go? Would like to go to beach and play with water. Even for swimming classes also, many children like to go. Okay. And the fruits that are mostly available in summer is mango, watermelon, and then tender coconut. Okay. Next, another season which you are going to learn today is winter. Okay. Recently, nowadays, it is very cold, right? At night time, after evening, it is very cold. Early morning also, it is very cold, right? This is winter season, children. அதனால ரொம்ப சில்லுன்னு இருக்கு. You can't even go out without wearing a sweater or this woolen cap and all. Okay. So this season is winter season. Summer season means it is very hot. Winter season na ரொம்ப cold ah இருக்கு. It will be very cold. So in winter season, what can you see? You can see snowfall during winter. Okay, you can see snowfall during winter season. And then what type of clothes we should wear during winter? Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes means sweater, jerkin and all you will be wearing, right? That mittens and then scarf and then that woolen cap. All these things you should wear during winter season. Okay? Why? Because it is very cold. If you are not wearing all these clothes means you will catch cold very easily. Okay? So you should wear woolen clothes in winter season. Next, what type of food you should have? You should have hot food only, like hot soup, hot coffee, hot tea, hot milk, and then mainly hot water. No one should take water from fridge and drink it. If you drink water from the fridge, what will happen? You will catch cold and you will get fever during this season. Okay. So during winter season, you should only have hot food items like hot food, hot soup, hot coffee, hot milk, hot tea, or hot water. More hot water, not the chill water from the fridge. Okay, children. So these are the things that are related to winter season. Winter season means it's a very cold season. Yes, you can see snowman. Why we see snowman? Because it is made out of snow. Yes, at this season only you can see snowman. In summer season, can you see snowman? Snowman summer season la paaka mudiyuma? No, why? Because it will be very hot and all that ice will be melted. So you cannot see snowman during summer season. You can only see it in winter season. Okay, understood children? Summer is very hot season and winter is very cold season. Okay, now I want you to take your worksheets, children. Take your worksheets. Write today's date. Today's date is 4-1-2222. And the day is Tuesday. Come on, write today's date. Be ready with your glue, Fevicol, Fevistick or gum, whatever you have. Okay. 4-1-2222. I have written in the worksheet also. You can look at the screen and also write, children. So the first picture what we are going to stick is the woolen cap. So you have three materials here. One is woolen cap, next one is the scarf, and next one is the mittens. Okay. So woolen cap. Take the woolen cap and stick it on the snowman's head here. On top. Stick it on the snowman's head. Woolen cap where you will wear? On the head only, right? So stick it on its head. And next, take the scarf and stick it in the neck part. This is the scarf. Woolen scarf. Okay, take the scarf and stick it in the neck part. Here is the neck. Here you have to stick it. And finally, you have that woolen gloves or the mittens. Take it and stick it in the hand part here. You have two hands for the snowman, right? Stick there. Yes, let me see. Those are finished. Please show me your worksheet. Let me see how you have done. Very good, Srinija. Good. Yes, Ilango. Very good. Nimalan, glue applying part and all your mother will do. You need not play with glue. You just stick it.
Always
Don't
he
play
wants to
with glue.
play only, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. If you are doing like this, then I'll go to the next activity. You be there itself. I don't know. Is Kadambari finished? Very good. Those are finished. Take your craft materials. Be ready with glue. Very good, Shravanya.
I'm Pranavi and Praveena's book.
Yeah, Pranavi and Pravina. Both of them are okay. Fine. Good. Yes, Riyasri. Good. Good, Riyasri. Nakshatra, where is your worksheet?
Finishing.
Yes, good, ma, Madhuvanti.
Sir.
Yes, good. Very good, Nakshatra. Sarah, I didn't see yours. Adarsh, I didn't see your worksheet.
Ma'am,
Mokshita.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, oh, sorry. You don't
Ma'am,
have workbook, right? Okay,
I'm
fine.
not yet ready with the worksheets, ma'am. I'll make it ready probably
Yeah,
by
fine,
10.
no problem. Yes, I actually forgot it. Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Next is Adarsh.
Sorry, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Finish that. Good, Adarsh. Yes, good, Nimalan. Everyone finished? Tilakar? Where is your worksheet, Tilakar? Why are you playing with crayons? Switching on to the session and you are playing. Huh? Yes, I saw Nimalan. Very good. Those who are finished, take your craft first. First, take the circle, children. Take the circle and fold it into half like this. You yourself do it. Fold it into half and then crease it here. The open should be down this side. Okay, like this itself, you take that penguin oval shape you have, right? Take that oval shape and stick it at the back. Stick it at the back so that correctly it should sit on the floor. Correctly to the down part you stick it so that when you place that penguin, it will be fixed on the floor or table wherever it at. Otherwise, your penguin will fall down. Like a photo stand, you have to stick it. Half part only you have to stick. Glue applying part your parents will do. Children, you stick it. Okay? Should be like this. Half part will be stick to this oval shape. Half part will be like this movable. Stick it. Nicely press it, children, so that it will stick quickly. And then stick the white part in the middle of that oval. Turn your oval shape. After sticking this circle, yes, turn your oval shape penguin, oval shape you have, right? Turn it and stick the white part. And then start sticking the eyes, beak and legs. Beak, wings and legs. Eyes, next beak, wings and then legs. First stick this white part in the middle. After sticking the white part, stick two eyes for the penguin and then the beak. You see the beak here? And then wings, two wings. Last, to stick the legs, feet for the penguin. Don't play with knives. Scissor ma, Srinija, it may hurt you. Keep it aside. See how you are holding your scissor? Srinija, keep the scissor down. Come on, get the craft from your mama and stick it. Ravina and Pranavi, get the craft from your brother and you do it, children. Try to do it on your own. At least after applying the glue, you can stick all those parts, right? Then only you will feel happy that you have done a craft.
Ma'am, Srinija done, ma'am.
Finished. Very good, Srinija. Good. Turn it. Turn the back part. Is it like this?
What, ma'am?
Back.
Yes.
Okay, correct.
It
Yeah.
is white.
Place it on the table. See whether it is standing. Your
Okay,
penguin
ma'am.
should stand. It should shake.
Ma'am, it's done.
Very nice, Srinija. Good.
We have to dry, ma'am.
Yeah, did you say thank you to your mama?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Kevin, where is your craft, Kevin? You're not ready with your craft material? Parents, allow your children to do, parents. Let them stick it. Then only they will know how to do a craft. It may not be perfect, but they will enjoy that activity, right? Very good, Riyastri. I can see Riyastri sticking. Good. Ilango also good. Glue applying part alone you can do. You ask your children to first at least stick it. And then you alter that part. Konal manala otna kuda paravalla. Ask them to take part in that activity. If you are doing it, then it will be just like you are buying a toy and giving it to them. Yes, finished. Very good, Kadambari. Good. Yes, Nimalan also finished. Good, Nimalan. Yeah, good, Nimalan. Very fat penguin, huh? Fat penguin. Yes, very good, Nitish. Yeah, place it on the floor and see, children, whether it is shaking. Place it on the floor and see.
Wait, wait. Now.
Yeah, good. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Very nice, Mokshita.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. We have one problem.
Huh? Who is it? I heard
Sarah,
someone
ma'am,
say. What, Sarah?
she said our penguin is not rocking. We have one problem.
Have a problem, ah. Penguin is not feeling well, I think. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Fine. Okay. After the session, parents, I request everyone to take a snap along with the craft that they have done and send it in group. Okay, take a snap along with the craft. Let them hold the craft, take a snap of it, and then send it in group. Okay, penguin craft. Yeah. Very nice. Good. Hope everyone have finished your activity. Very nice, Riyasri. Good.
Thank
Very
you,
nice.
ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
I applied the glue, ma'am. Now they are sticking, ma'am.
How much time they will take, huh?
I don't know.
The glue.
Now only I was applying the
Very
glue
nice.
and I was cut out the
My
pictures.
penguin.
Okay, fine. Very
Hello.
nice, Ilango.
Hello.
It's too loud.
Hello.
Huh?
Thank you,
Hello.
ma'am. Bye.
No,
I'm
not bye.
Pranavi,
We have
Pravina.
worksheet to
I'm
do.
Pranavi and Pravina's.
What?
Yeah, very nice. Good. However, it looks.
சொல்லு.
Yeah, Madhuvanti, very nice. Good. Very good. Well done.
ம்.
Very nice. Okay. Hope you all have done your activity. Next, we'll move on to our talk time. Whose talk time is today? Yes, Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. I saw yours. Good.
ம்.
Whose talk time is today? Adarsh, are you ready? Adarsh?
No, ma'am.
No,
Actually, it's not.
okay. Then let me know on which date he is going to do. I'll change his date, okay?
ம்.
Okay, ma'am. It
Then
will be either
Kadambari.
Friday, Thursday, or Friday, ma'am. I will confirm today,
Okay,
ma'am.
you let me know whenever he is ready, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Kadambari, Kevin and Mokshita. Sorry, Kadambari and Kevin. Kevin 250. Kadambari, are you ready with water transport, Kadambari?
Yes.
Yes,
No,
sir?
ma'am.
No.
Okay, so please let me know those who have not done your talk time. Please let me know in which date you are going to do your talk time. Okay?
Okay.
So next we'll move on to our worksheet, children. All of you keep your craft aside. Next we are going to do our worksheet, that is 111 MT. Take worksheet number 111 MT.
81,
You have
82.
number? Yeah, 111 MT. Number is 81 and 82. Children, here you have to count First, you have to count, children, and then only you should proceed to write. Okay, so how will you count by tens first? Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80 after 80, 81. 81, 81. First, all of you should count, children. Then only you should start writing the number. Everyone should count. No one should leave that part. Otherwise, you will not be thorough with rote counting, tens counting also. First, count the number of beads here, that necklace, and then you write. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then one bead is alone there, that is 81. After 80, you get 81. Count it, strike it out and count, and then you write. While writing also, you should spell and write, children. 81, 81. 81, 81. Spell and write, then only you will be thorough with numbers, children. 81, 81. And then next you have number 82. The same way, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. Parents, please encourage your children to count first and then write the number. Straight away, don't ask them to write the numbers first. First, they should know to count and then only they should write. 8 to 82. 8, while writing itself, you should spell it. 8 to 82. 8 to 82. Like this, spell and write. Eight to 82.
Finished, ma'am. Finished.
Finished, Amma Kadambari? Very good.
Finished, ma'am.
What are you doing, Madhuvanti? Are you writing or are you playing with your penguin?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Nija. Good.
I'm writing my
I must see everyone's worksheet. You should count, children. Strike it out and count, and then only you should write. I must not see anyone's worksheet without counting. Rote count it and then only you should write. I will see everyone worksheet today.
இது எழுத சொல்றேன்.
ஏற்கனவே எழுதிட்டா. எழுதுற மாதிரி நடிக்கிறா.
எழுதுற மாதிரி நடிக்கிறாளா?
ஏற்கனவே எழுதிட்டா. Already.
What are you doing? Acting? Cheating, ma'am? Naughty girl. Show me your worksheet. Let me see. Have you wrote counted the number out there? 81 and 82. Strike out பண்ணி count பண்ணீங்களா? No, you didn't do it. See there? Come on, count first. Count the number of necklace over there.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
80?
81.
1. See, if you're counting like this, that is not enough. You have to strike out and count. Strike out பண்ணி count பண்ணு
20,
மதுவந்தி.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10,
Hmm.
20,
Yeah.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
80?
81, 82.
82. Very good, Madhuvanti. Good girl. Ha ha ha.
Pinna ma'am.
Very good, Nitish. Did you count, Nitish?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nitish.
Finish, ma'am.
Nimalan, did you count Nimalan first? Show me your worksheet.
Yes, ma'am, he counted.
Counted, ah?
Yes, ma'am,
Good,
yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Yeah, fine. Everyone should count and then only you should write.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma. Yes, those who are finished, take your slate, children, again. Yesterday we wrote numbers from 11 to 20, right? Today we are going to write numbers from 21 to 30. 21 to 30. If you want to go drink water and come, drink and come. If you are thirsty, go drink water and come back. Those who are finished, take your slate and write numbers from 21 to 30. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. That too you have to spell and write, children. 2, 1, 21. Yes, very good, Pranavi.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Yes, very good. Very good, Nimalan.
அப்புறம் நீ கீழே இறங்கு.
See, you make him sit in a chair and you tie him with a rope. Then
Yes,
only he
ma'am.
will not go anywhere. Huh?
If he's sitting in shaking, ma'am, that's why I made him in the floor, ma'am. Shaking, ma'am.
Huh?
He's sitting on the stool and all, ma'am.
Achucho. What,
Sorry,
Nimalan?
on
Play
the
with
floor.
your penguin afterwards, okay? Now you finish the session and then afterwards you can play. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, சொல்லுங்க.
Okay. Finished. Nimalan finished. Next, who else finished? Numbers from 21 to 30. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. Spell and write. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30.
சொல்லு finish madam.
Finish, Nana.
Finished? Yes, very good, Madhuvanti. Good.
Finish, Nana. Finish,
Very
Nana.
good. Well done.
I finish, Nana.
Next, we are going to circle the numbers also. Don't erase it, children. Keep it as it is. Like yesterday, we'll be circling numbers today, okay? Mm. Finish. Very good, Nakshatra finished. Kadambari finished. Nimalan finished. Madhuvanti finished. Srinija also finished. Then who is writing still?
Sarah is writing, ma'am.
Ah, right. Mokshita, did you write numbers from 21 to 30, Mokshita? Riyasri, I think Nitish also finished. Shravanya,
Ma'am,
very
she's
good,
doing.
Ilango. Shravanya,
Shravanya is writing, ma'am, writing.
okay, fine.
9.
Enable your video, let me see. Writing, very good, Shravanya.
There.
Good. Okay, now shall we start to circle the numbers? Still, who is writing? Very good, Pranavi. Very good, Pravina.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Keep it as it is, children. We are going to circle now.
என்ன சத்தம் சொல்ல போறாங்க பாரு.
Today, all numbers will not circle. We'll circle only 5 numbers, okay?
பாரு நம்பர் சொல்லுவாங்க.
So, the first number you have to circle is very good, Masara. Good. Well done. Okay, first number you are going to circle is 26. 26. Circle it and show it to me whether you have circled it correctly. 26. Parents, please don't help them. Let them do it on their own. Very good, Nakshatra. Nakshatra, Madhuvanti. Very good, Sara. 26. I will not tell you the number. I will tell you only 26. You have to find out which is 26 and circle. 26. Yes, good, Nimalan. Yes, very good, Shavanya. 26. Okay. Next number is 22. 22. 22.
Ma'am.
Wrong, Nakshatra. 22. 22. I didn't say 27. I said 22. Yeah, good, ma. 22. Very good.
23, ma'am.
Good, everyone. Good, Sarah. Good. 22. Next number, 28. 28. It ends with the number 8. 28. 28.
28, then, ma'am.
Very good. 28, 28. Good. 28.
Active done,
Okay. Fine. The next number is 30. 30. 28, 29, 30. 30. The last number what you have written. 30. What is that number 30, Sarah? 30 means what you will write?
What is the number 30?
30, how will you write? If I ask you to write 30, you will show your mouth like that, huh? Is that 30?
How will you write 30? Say the numbers.
3, 3030. Very good. 3030. Okay. The next number is 21. 21. 21.
21 done, ma'am.
Finish. What you will write for 21?
21.
Very good, Srinija. 21. Very good. Last number, okay? Last number is 25. 25.
25.
Very good, Srinija. 25. Very good, all of you. Well done. Big round of applause for my children. Very good. Well done. Have you all done it correctly? Is there anyone who made mistakes? Everyone did it correctly?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Yes? Circled correctly? Yes, very good. Show me your slate, all of you. Let me see what you have circled. Show me your slate.
Ma'am, Nakshatra missed one number.
Yeah, she circled 27, right? For 22. That's what. Listen and then you circle slowly. No need to do it in a hurry, okay? Do it slowly, Nakshatra. Fine. Good girl. Okay? Yeah, fine. Very good, children. Thank you. Well done, all of you. Okay. Now, next is our short recap of 2-letter words. I'm going to write it in the screen and you are going to identify that. Okay, children? Keep your slates down. Keep your slates down. All of you look at the screen. Don't play. Keep your slate down, all of you. Keep it aside. Now look at the screen, all of you. Yes, one by one I'm going to call you and ask you. Okay? First is Nakshatra.
Solluங்க.
What is this Nakshatra? IT. Very good, Nakshatra. IT, it. Next is Sara.
No.
Come on. IF. If. Very good, Sara. Next is Riyasri.
Okay.
Riyasri. Huh? OM. AM. AM. Madhuvanti. How many times to tell you, Madhuvanti? Why are you unmuting yourself? AM. Very good. Okay. Next is Srinija.
ON. On.
Very good, Srinija. ON. On. Next is Ilango. Ilango. Off. Okay. OF. Off. Very good. Next is Mokshita. Mokshita. IN in solle. Who's that? Your mother, ah? I'll talk with her later. IN. What is IN? In. IN in. Okay. Next is Nitish.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Act. Very good, Nitish. Nimalan.
Yes, ma'am. அதை நான் read பண்ணுமா?
Very good, Nimalan. OX. Ox. Next is Shavanya. Yeah, very good, ma. Shavanya.
Yes, ma'am. IS.
Very good, Shavanya. IS is. Next, Madhuvanti.
ANN.
Very good, Madhuvanti. A-N, and very good. Kadambari. Kadambari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next. IT over, right?
What is it?
Am. A-M. Am. Okay. So now, children, all of you should answer. Yeah, thank you, Kadambari. Everyone is going to answer now. What is this? Everyone should answer. H E H E E. Very good. H E E. Okay. And then what is this? Yes. H E C. S H E E. Okay. Very good. And thank you so much, children. She. Very good. Okay, finally we'll play that game. Yesterday we played one game, right? The same game we'll play now.
Game. Oh, that animal game.
Okay. Okay, now what bird is this?
Owl.
What bird is this, everyone? Owl. Okay, let us check. Owl. Yes, very good. Owl. Okay, next. What is this?
Phenicon.
What is this? No one knows that. Huh? Vera. No, shall we see? Cola. Yes, cola. Okay, next. Yeah, next. Yes, what is this? And shall we see? Wow, very good. And good. Okay, next. What animal is this? Camel. Okay, let's check. Very good. It's the camel. Okay, next. Horse. Okay, let's check. Very good. It's a horse. Okay, what is this? Huh? Huh? What is this? Okay. Shark. Who said it is shark? Shall we see? It is a whale. Shark will not be in this shape. It is a whale. Okay, what is this? Ladybug. Okay, shall we see? Well done. It is ladybug. Very good. Okay, next. What is this? Monkey, and then what else? Okay, very good. It is monkey. Very good. Next. Yeah, next. Frog. Is it a frog? No. Tortoise. No. No one knows. It's an insect. What is that? Okay, it is a snail. Children, you learned, right? Snail. It is a snail. Okay. Next. Hippo. Very good. Hippopotamus. Very good. Hippopotamus. Okay, next. Very easy. Well done. It is a butterfly. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, no need of this one. What is this? Wow, it's a shark. Well done. Very good, children. Well done. Tomorrow another set of pictures. Okay. Going to be back. And then tomorrow, children, all of you parents, I want you to be ready with this material tomorrow. You all will have in your home this spatula, right? With holes, jallikarandin solluvom. You will have in your home, right? This one along with woolen thread. Any color woolen thread. Okay, this one and woolen thread. Have to be ready with this. Tomorrow we'll be doing an activity using this material. Yes, I want now all of you, I want you to go inside and bring this material from your home, from your kitchen. Go to your kitchen, find where is this and bring it. Let me see. And then don't say, I don't know, ma'am. Come on, all of you, go and bring it. Go inside and bring it. Did I say bye to you, Pranavi and Pravina?
Bye, Pravina. Bye.
Did I say bye?
Bathroom, ma'am.
Did I say bye to anyone? Who said bye now?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Tomorrow I am not going to admit you in class first, you see. நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், இந்த மெட்டீரியலை போய் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்கன்னு சொன்னேன். Did I say bye to anyone? யார்கிட்டயோ நான் bye சொன்னேனா? No, right? Why you children before ending the session say bye to me? Yes, everyone, very good. Kadambari, Shravanya, Nakshatra, others. Yes, very good. Srinija, and then Ilango, Madhuvanti, Sara, Nitish, where is yours? Yes, Nimalan. Yeah, very good. This material, along with this, what you will bring? A woolen thread. Woolen thread also you should bring tomorrow. So, two material, this one and a woolen thread. Okay, along with this, tomorrow morning session, you have to be ready. Log in time. Okay, we'll do this activity before starting our session, children. So be ready with that. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Say bye, sir.